Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Chapter 17. Arjun said, "Those who discard the prescriptions of the Shastras but worship with recourse to faith, what is their devotion like? Is it Sattva, Raja, or Tama?" The Lord said, "According to their nature, people show three kinds of faith: Sattva type, Raja type, and Tama type. Listen to this, O descendant of the Bharata lineage. Everyone's faith follows his inner nature. This being is full of faith. The kind of faith one has makes the person. Those of the Sattva type worship the gods. Those of Raja type, Yakshas and Rakshas. The others of the Tama type worship ghosts and devils. Those who perform terrible austerities not sanctioned by the Shastras, full of insolence and ego, deriving strength from desire and attachment, devoid of consciousness, torture the elements in the body and also me inside the body. Know them to be driven by demonic resolution. The favored food of all is of three types, and so too sacrifice, meditation, and donations. Listen to the distinction between these. The Sattva type favor food that increases life expectancy, vitality, strength, freedom from disease, happiness, and joy, tasty, oily, nourishing, and pleasant. The Raja type favor food that is extremely spicy, acidic, salty, hot, pungent, dry, and burning, increasing unhappiness, sorrow, and disease. The Tama type favor food cooked a long time ago, no longer succulent, and with a bad smell, stale, and tasted by others, impure. The sacrifices performed according to prescribed rites, pacifying the mind, without attachment to fruits, and only because such sacrifices ought to be performed, are of the Sattva type, O best of the Bharata lineage. But no, sacrifices performed in search of fruits, or indeed because of insolence, to be of the Raja type. Sacrifices without following prescribed rites, without donating food, without mantras, without donations, and without faith are said to be of the Tama type. Worship of gods, brahmanas, teachers and the wise, purity, simplicity, brahmacharya, and non-violence, these are known as physical austerities. Not uttering words that leads to anxiety, speaking the truth, and that which is pleasant and leads to welfare, and self-study, these are known as verbal austerities. Tranquility of mind, lack of cruelty, reserve in speech, control of one's self, purity in attitude. All these are known as mental austerities. These three types of austerities performed single-mindedly by men, without attachment to fruits, and with supreme faith, are said to be of the Sattva type. Austerities performed with the objective of obtaining praise, respect, or worship, and based on insolence, are said to be of the Raja type, and in this are temporary and uncertain. Austerities performed on the basis of delusion, resulting in the oppression of oneself, or undertaken to destroy others, are said to be of the Tama type. Alms donated for the sake of donation to those who have not benefited the donor, and based on place, time, and subject, are said to be of the Sattva type. But donations for the sake of return favors, or for the fruits, or given unwillingly, are said to be of the Raja type. Donations in the wrong place, at the wrong time, and to the wrong subject, given without respect and disdainfully, are said to be of the Tama type. Om Tat, Sat. In these three ways, the Brahman has been described in the sacred texts. From this, in the past, Brahmanas and the Vedas and Yajnas have been created. Therefore, according to prescribed rites, sacrifices, donations, and austerities by those who are learned in the Brahman are always undertaken after uttering Om. Those who desire liberation give up desire for fruits and undertake sacrifices, donations, and austerities after uttering Tat. O Parth, Sat is used to signify existence and superiority, and the word Sat is also used for auspicious acts. Steadfastness in sacrifices, donations, and austerities is known as Sat, and action performed towards those ends is also indeed known as Sat. O Parth, sacrifices, donations, and austerities, and any other action undertaken without faith are known as the opposite of Sat, with nothing in this world or in the afterworld.